Today we're going to find the derivative of ln of sine of pi over x. First step we have to do is know that ln of sine of pi over x is the same as 1 over sine of pi over x. Just because of how ln works, we multiply that due to the chain rule of sine of pi over x. Now that we have this, we also multiply the inner and get the derivative of sine to be cos pi over x, which you multiply by sine of x to get cos of sine of pi over x, both respectively. And once we get that, we multiply by pi, the inner, which is just pi over 1, which equals pi. So you get pi times cos of pi of x over sine of pi over x. Now, the only thing we have to do now is simplify. Since we have a negative in the front, we could change that to the pi over x. And you get pi over x, but there's 2, so you get pi over x squared negative, and cos over sine is the same as cotangent of pi over x.